Hello, my name is Dr. Marty Weiser, and I'm a surgical oncologist and colorectal surgeon at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. So what is the role of surgery in anal cancer, specifically abdominoperineal resection and groin dissection? The primary treatment for anal cancer is chemotherapy and radiation, and we reserve surgery for refractory disease or recurrent disease. Studies have shown better outcomes with chemoradiation, likely because the fields include the lateral pelvic sidewall, which is not usually resected. For primary disease that does not completely respond to chemoradiation, you then have to proceed to abdominoperineal resection, which is removal of the rectum and the sphincter complex with a wide resection of the pelvic floor. Often this requires plastic surgery reconstruction because the defect is so large and the lower anal canal is radiated. Radiation for rectal cancer is fundamentally different from anal cancer in that the anus is blocked. But for anal cancer, there's a significant dose to the perianal skin, which inhibits healing. Groin dissection is generally limited for clinically palpable disease that has not responded completely to chemotherapy and radiation as well. Often a wide dissection is performed with a gracilis reconstruction and primary closure. This is a morbid procedure and often associated with significant lymphedema due to the fact that patients have been radiated as well. In general, the outcome for anal cancer is quite good. Approximately 80% of patients have a complete response to chemotherapy and radiation. However, for those patients that do not achieve a complete response or recur, long-term outcome is not as good, with 50% distant metastases rates. The recovery after abdominoperineal resection for anal cancer following chemotherapy and radiation often takes 3 to 4 months. The perineum is usually reconstructed with the help of plastic surgery, and the patient's unable to sit directly for 6 to 12 weeks. Wound dehiscence is common, requiring extensive drainage or packing of the wound in many cases, and there can be urinary and sexual dysfunction as well.